Hey, good morning. Welcome to the airport, everyone. We're going, we got a maintenance run today, potentially two of them, depending on how much I managed to get achieved. We got to finish a 172 up. That's at a farm strip nearby, and then we got some repairs on another 172, which is a farm strip 60 miles the other way. So I'm gonna steal the Cub today to go and do this job. First time in a Cub for me, on a Super Cub that is, on wheels. So let's go see if we can have a bit of fun with this thing. Should be really great. Okay, getting in always fun. Not so bad with a big tire. Actually, that's way nicer than on skis. Missed the heel brake there. That's about as alarmed as I've ever been for a last little while. Completely missed the heel brake.